Good morning vlog. It's good morning.
Good morning.
So right now we are walking to the beach from our Airbnb, and it's like a 5-minute walk.
It is, yep. 1 minute drive, 30-second drive.
I know, but even if we drove, like, there's nowhere to put the car, so we have to walk.
We were supposed to go earlier, but Sophia took a long time in the bathroom.
Not true. It's a butterfly. We saw a snail. I haven't seen a wild snail in like a long time.
Yeah, I know, with the shell.
With the shell.
Sophia put salt in it.
No, I did not.
So it did.
He's lying. That's animal cruelty. Okay, we'll vlog later. Guys, we're here at the beach. It's so beautiful, and then this is our little setup right now. Kevin is chilling. I'm vlogging. I said that you're chilling. And he left his sunglasses at home, so he bought these like $6 ones.
I got Peachy like that one.
Oh my god. I got him good. Baby, hold on. I got him good on video. Okay, vlog, a little bit of an update for you guys. So right now we're on this like nature walk near our little place, and it started raining when we were on the beach, and then we saw that it was gonna thunderstorm, so we were like, well, let's just go on this little walk, and if it rains, it rains. And then while it rains, we're gonna go shopping. So that's what we're doing now.
There's a pool there.
Very nice, very nice. I wonder where this leads to.
Hopefully back to Delaware.
Oh god, that's a long one.
No, fast walking.
So update, we're eating again. We're at Outback, and it started pouring really bad, and thundering and lightning. So now we're eating. Comment if you like Caesar salad, because I don't. Hello, so update. My hair is very curly right now. But anyway, update. We've been shopping around, and Kevin's looking for these rainbows. They can't find. Where are we going to go now? Why do you get like this when I turn the vlog on? I think it's me. Kevin's never mean. Never mean. Show your tattoos. Straight is Walmart. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. And we're gonna go walk on the beach a little later from now. Peace out vlog.
Peace out vlog. Yes, peace out vlog. Oh my god.
Shit! So Kevin thinks that when I get on the vlog that my voice changes.
So, Kevin thinks when I get on the vlog, my voice changes. Yes, it changes.
No, I don't sound like that. Are you ready?
No.
You always mean. We're walking. Whoa, walk. Right now, we're going on a walk. Ow. And there's a 30% chance of rain right now, but we're gonna go anyway. I'm out of breath already on this walk. Jesus. I like decked out my Outer Banks little hoodie thing. And as always, Kev is camera shy. And he's made fun of me because the thing is on his selfie stick. Funny Kev. Funny Kev. What are you trying to do, hide? Ow! Look how, like, the angle, though.
The paparazzi in the way.
Ow, that angle, though. So babe, so since has been your first time in the Outer Banks, what would you say, like, you know?
Yeah, you know what?
I already know. You're gonna start talking crazy.
5 hours, right, to take this drive. I could have literally saw the same thing if I would have drove 30 minutes to Cape and Loop and State Park.
Yes. Really though. Are you serious?
Truthfully.
You're saying got something in your eyeball.
No, I'm kidding. I learned how to use a grill out here.
Yeah. And we're 5 hours away from everybody.
Like who?
Everyone. Friends, family.
Yeah, my friend lives up the road.
Shut up. So, dang, I left a lot of hair out of my bun. I have a mullet. It's been 2 minutes and we're almost finished. Why are you getting out of the frame? So, guys, me and Kev had this bet, right? So, obviously we're from 5 hours away from here. And I was like, let's try to see who can find the most Delaware tags. And I think I said that to him yesterday. And all of a sudden today we were driving and I was like, oh my gosh, we saw a Delaware tag. So I was like, that's one for me. And the rest of the day, he's been so salty about it that I saw the Delaware tag. Yes, you are. Hi.
I've not been salty.
Yes, you have.
You kept rubbing it in.
We're 1-0, 1-0. So we're going to get a too. Okay, well, bye vlog. Got this little crab. He's biting my nail.
And when I turned the grill on, there was a snail on top of the grill. So let's go see what he's doing.
It's really dark. And all the corn goes everywhere. Is the snail still on top of it?
No, I don't think so. Put the flash on.
Okay guys, so this is the Airbnb that we stayed at. This is like the kitchenette. So the kitchenette, and then like it has all that up there. And long story short, we're leaving here tomorrow and we're gonna be staying in a hotel. Trash. has TV, Apple TV. And this is like the little living room area, and this is all of our stuff that we just packed up. And then come over here, and it's got the fridge, and it's all full. And then Kev is ready for bed. All of our shoes, got all of our stuff packed. And then is the bathroom. Hey. And then the shower. Got a cool overhead shower. But yeah. Good night, guys.